So we're here at the PNC Bank, and we're here looking at the bees coming in and out by the wall. And they are coming in right through one of the mortar joints by the brick, right by the gutter. The gutter is leaking, so it is creating some wet on the wall, and it has allowed all the mortar joints to crack, which is now allowing the bees to go in and create a hive. Right here we're at the next job. We are in front of PNC Bank. Chris has already taken part of the wall. You can see some of the hives starting right there. It's about a foot up and a foot over from here. So we're going to finish taking the bricks out and then relocate. Alright, so Chris is removing some more bricks. And we've already got some of the hives relocated. They've just moved in. Chris is vacuuming up the rest of the bees, and the other ones are already moved to the hive. As soon as we get the bees, we'll put them back in the box. And then we'll leave the box here for the foragers to come back. And Chris